welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a bandana inspired look. And guys, for this video I already did my face makeup for time's sake, and all the products that I use will be in the description box down below, guys. And my Instagram would also be in the description box down below, so you guys could go follow me if you're not already following me on Instagram. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, and make sure to stay tuned because I am going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. So guys, stay tuned for that. And so, okay, let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna go in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna take the shade called, Lord, you can see my mustache. And I'm gonna take the shade called Tipsy Girl and apply it all over my lids. So guys, for eyelashes, I'm just gonna apply these simple wispy ones, nothing too dramatic to cover the eye. So guys, for the lips, I'm gonna keep it really simple, and I'm just gonna apply this e.l.f. lip gloss, and this is in the shade Bubbles. It's just a glittery lip gloss. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to share this video, guys. Okay.